Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to sell your tickets back to Ticketmaster. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to the Ticketmaster website and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side you'll see a My Account option. Tap on it. Once over here under My Tickets you'll see an option for upcoming events. Open it up. Now here you'll see your upcoming event over here, so just tap on it, and there you'll see an option for transfer tickets and sell tickets. And if you're really early and you have bought your tickets from Ticketmaster, then you'll see an option to sell your tickets back to Ticketmaster. But if you don't see that option, then the only thing you can do is to sell these tickets to someone else using Ticketmaster. So what you'll have to do is to click on the sell tickets option that you'll see over there, and then preferably just set a low amount on your tickets, and hopefully someone will buy them off you really quickly. You can also price the tickets by looking at the prices of the seats next to you on Ticketmaster, and your tickets will be sold. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.